Getting data from files saved in Teams. If you're wanting to create a dashboard in Power BI using a spreadsheet or other file types saved in Teams, you can do this by using the Import Data from Web option in Power BI. This will allow your dashboard to be refreshed, and any changes to the file in Teams will be reflected in your dashboard. This is handy if multiple colleagues are working on the same file. In Power BI, select Blank Report. From the Home ribbon, select Get Data and choose the Web option. You now need to get the URL of the file you want to work with. In Teams, navigate to the file, select the three dots and select Copy Link. If you paste this link directly into Power BI, you'll get an error as the link won't be recognised. First, you need to clean the link up. Paste the link into Word or Notepad. You need to remove the end of the link, everything to the right of the question mark, and the question mark. You can then highlight the clean link and copy this. Back in Power BI, paste in the link and select OK. You'll then see the data you can select from the file. In this case, we're going to select the table and then select Load. Once the data has loaded, you can check it by selecting the table view in the left side menu. Now, if anyone makes changes to the original file, here I've deleted the total row and added another row, the changes will be reflected in Power BI. To force a refresh of data, from the Home ribbon in the Report view, select Refresh. Back in the Table view, I can now see that the updated row has been added. There you go! That's how you add files stored in Teams.